Khuborjylla ha kejingalang ki menteri sorkar mentah kesengi ke arpusau Tarik kelalengkot arajar arpusau kala Syiem ya karai ban Plie ya umat jong Tirot sing Syiem ha Dhaka ha kari Bangladesh. Habai keren syikilat petai Khubor hadin kejingalang menteri badai Peit Ekatanan Arts and Culture ba Paul Lingdo ulai thu ba ke sorkar kala Syiem ya karai ban Plie Paidbah ya umat Tirot sing ha ka khat rew Tarik Rymphang arajar arpusau ha Dhaka bat en wan Plie du sembut menteri ke sorkar ba senyau bahalang dhar ha kejing senran lang menteri Ekatanan Arts and Culture ba Paul Lingdo.
And the expenditure.
I will brief you separately before departure for Dhaka. In fact, we have also included representatives from the media to be part of this entourage. The statue and the bus have been designed by RFL Wajri, and after a couple of PowerPoint presentations, including the visuals, this was approved by the Department of Arts and Culture, and as indicated, on the 16th, a high-level team led by Deputy Syiem, Mr. Syiem will be part of the unveiling program, of the unveiling of the statue and the bust at Dhaka.
So the unveiling ceremony will be held on the 16th, or
on the
the
16th.
team will be leaving from here?
No, on the 16th. The official program is on the 16th February.
Bapal, coming to the what my friend has was asking about HNLC thing. So, any special security measures is the state government arranging, because in view of the HNLC withdrawing from this state?
As I said, the law and order situation in the state is very peaceful, and we do not see HNLC as enemies or people who we should be wary of, which is why we said that our doors of negotiations with them are still open. And that will, in fact, be emphasized in the Republic address.